What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit more about what is a sales funnel and how it works. So a sales funnel is basically a series of steps that you take a person through in order for that person to become a client. So the first step we have here is awareness. Awareness is just basically to let people know what is your business about, how you can help them, what you can offer to them in order to solve their problems, right? So, and you can use YouTube videos, you can use blogs, you can use ads, you can use your Instagram page or your Facebook fan page. Now, once that person know that you exist, they're gonna go to the interest step. Interest step is just basically to collect a personal information from that user. And in order to do that, you can provide something for free. This can be a free training, this can be a free PDF, a webinar, a cheat sheet, and this can be something related to your niche. It can be a free PDF if you're a gym trainer, of how to lose weight, gain muscle. If you are a financial consultant, you can provide a free cheat sheet on how to keep your finances in the right place. Something related with your niche market. So once that person consumes your content, your free training or your free PDF, and you have the email address, then you can move to the other step, that is nurture. What is nurture? Nurture is basically to keep in that person's mind every time, okay? How? By doing emails, retargeting ads, email follow-ups, providing always content or something related with the service or the product you are promoting. It's important to understand that not all the person will buy here in this stage. You need to keep building a relationship with them. Remember, people buy from a person that they like, they know, and they trust. And once you do that, you're gonna go to the last step, that is the action, where basically is to make that person buy from you to get your service, to get your product, whatever you're trying to sell. So let's recap a little bit. Awareness, just to let people know who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Interest, provide something for free in exchange for that person's email address. Nurture, kill building the relationship, kill sending valuable emails or something related with the product you want to promote or the service, right? And once you do that, you're gonna land to the last step, that is the action. For that person to take out his credit card and buy your service or your product. That is exactly how the sales funnel works. Now let's see how a sales funnel looks in real life. So this is where my sales process starts. As you can see, this is a landing page or an opt-in page that I designed in order to collect people's email addresses in exchange to a free course where I show them how they can create a website for free. And it's just a really nice design where I tell them why they should learn to build their own website. I also tell them what they're gonna learn inside the training. It's a free 4-day training. An image here of my workshops. I show them the page builder they're gonna use, that it doesn't need coding experience or designing skills, and I tell them who is this course ideal for, right? And here we have an opt-in form, and it's a pretty nice landing page. You can make this even more simple. I can even have this, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna work just with this section. And this is what you should be doing, guys. You need to put yourself on your customer shoes, because your customers don't wake up a morning thinking about buying a product or a service. They wake up thinking about how to solve their problems, and you need to find a way to position your offer into that equation as a solution for that problem. So once I collect their name and the email address, I'm gonna store that in my email marketing software, and I'm gonna be able to contact them later. Once they click on send me the course, they're gonna go to my other page, where it's basically a thank you page, where I'm telling them, hey, go check your inbox, there is the course. Okay? Simple. And here I'm promoting just a book that I consider is gonna help them. And also I tell them, hey, follow me on my social media for more content that will help you build and grow your online business. And they're gonna see my YouTube, my Facebook, Instagram, my Pinterest. Okay, this is a simple thank you page. Now, once they are here in the thank you page, I gonna send them a several emails. The first emails is the welcome email, and I gonna give them a lesson there about why it's important to have a website. The second day, I send them another email with this link. They're gonna go to this page and they're gonna start building their website. And the same with the third and the fourth day. I'm gonna send them out an email every day for the last 4 days. So in this second email, as you can see here, I show them the programs that I use, and I put a call to action. And this is the same call to action in every email I sent. In the email for day 3 and in the email for day 4, they're gonna click a link inside that email and they're gonna go to a page like this, but with a different video, a lesson for that day. But below that video, there's always gonna be a call to action like this one. If they need more help or if they need my service, they're gonna click this button and they're gonna go to this following page, where basically they're gonna have the opportunity here to schedule a call with one of my team members or with myself. They have to watch the video and complete the form. And if that person schedule a call, it's because they are extremely engaged with my content. They know I am an authority figure in the niche of building websites, and they're gonna be more likely to get more my services. I hope that you can see what I'm doing here. I'm bringing a person that doesn't even know about myself, about my business. I take them through several steps. I warm them up, and once they are completely engaged and they know I can help them, I offer them the service of basically help them with a personalized service to create their website for their business. So this is what you should be doing, guys. This is how you get better conversions and you get more customers to your business. Let's say that for some reason, the person that went through this funnel didn't convert. Maybe they didn't click the button or they didn't went to the schedule page. It doesn't really matter because I still have the email addresses. So I can send them more emails, valuable emails with content, and I can also use that email to create ads specifically designed for this person that visits this page. In that way, you can position your offer over and over again. Remember, the person doesn't buy immediately from a company or someone that they just knew about it. First, they need to trust you, especially if you are providing a service or a product that is expensive. They need to trust you. They need to build a relationship. But trust me, at some point, they're gonna buy from you because you're always positioning your service, your offer in front of them. So this is how important it is to start building your audience and start collecting people's email addresses. And the tool that I would recommend you to use is called Clickfunnels. So at the beginning, when I was getting started, I was creating my landing pages with my page builder. But to be honest, it's a little bit more technical. It takes me more time to build with my page builder. So I decided to use Clickfunnels. And the main reason I like ClickFunnels is because it's easier to create the landing pages, the steps, all in one place. So as you can see here, this is the template, similar to the one that I previously showed you, and basically it's the same concept. As you can see here, this is the opt-in page, and it's similar to the one I show you. They're gonna click here and they're gonna ask for their email addresses and their name, and then they're gonna go to the thank you page. And once you collect their email, you're gonna be sending them the lesson 1, 2, or 3 of how many lessons you want to send for your free training, your free whatever you're planning to give for free, right? So the opt-in page, the thank you page, and the following lessons, right? Everything in one single place. So if you want to use this tool, guys, there's gonna be a link below. Click on the link, create your account, and let me know once you do it so I can give you my bonuses that includes pre-made templates so you can import them to your account and start using ClickFunnels right away. So I hope this video been helpful for you guys. I hope that you truly understand how powerful is a sales funnel. It's absolutely necessary for any business to have a sales funnel. So this works if you're a consultant, you're a gym trainer, you're into e-commerce, you are a lawyer, a dentist. You can do many things with a funnel. Basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.